This is the one thing diners probably did not expect after their meal. This is a giant cave-in outside of an IHOP in Meridian, Mississippi. Look at that thing. The massive opening swallowing up more than a dozen cars, and believe it or not, no one was hurt. That's great news. Buck Roberts, though, Public Safety Director for the City of Meridian, on the telephone now. Buck, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Couple things here. Have you seen the site yourself in person?
That would be an understatement. Yes, sir, I have seen.
And what does it look like when you're standing there, staring down at these dozens of vehicles in a hole?
Well, it makes you thank the Lord above that nobody was hurt, but you realize, wow, this could easily happen anywhere, but it happened in Meridian. But it's a problem that we're gonna work to fix.
Yeah, Buck, have you had a lot of rain lately, or what could trigger
this?
Yeah,
we've had quite a bit of rain the last few days. That's one of the problems we're having now, to work to get the vehicles out. That we don't want to jeopardize anybody's safety trying to get the vehicles out.
I bet. How many people had their car swallowed or disappeared?
We think we got approximately 12 cars in there, 12 to 14 cars. We count for 12 now. Once we start getting out, if we see more, then we'll go from there. But, first thing is we've got to make sure it's safe to get in there.
Certainly. That looks like Mississippi red clay. Do I have that right there?
Yes, that's correct.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Buck, we thought it was a sinkhole, but it's called a cave-in.
Is there
a difference?
Drainage structure collapse. I'm not going to say it's a cave-in. I'm not going to say it's a sinkhole. I'm calling it a drainage. We're calling it a drainage structure collapse.
And what would that mean then? Define that, Buck.
Defining it is it's pretty well defined yourself. It's a drain, and it's collapsing the drainage structure.
Wow.
What the drainage was.
Any indication this was about to happen? Any calls before?
No, sir. No, sir. We had no idea it was going to happen.
So what triggers it? Is it the water? That's my assumption. Is that assumption correct, though?
I'm not going to assume anything, but it's very possible. I'm not going to assume anything, my friend.
Yeah. Have you talked to the families who were eating at the time? I mean, that was not on the menu, Buck.
The restaurant was full, of course, and the manager did an excellent job getting them out. But our mayor is working very hard to make sure that we can do what we have to do to get this restaurant back open, because he's declaring a state of emergency, and make sure that we do what we have to do.
Hey, good luck, Buck. You've got a big job ahead of you, so our best to you and the folks there in Meridian, Mississippi.
Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all.
Thank you.